Two Ukrainian infantrymen had concealed themselves beneath a wooden shack, using it as improvised cover. However, a Russian FPV drone operator detected their position and tracked them from above, bringing the situation under control. From the Russian perspective, an FPV drone positioned in ambush mode monitored the area around the village of Vozdvizhevka in the Zaporizhia region. While remaining low and concealed, the drone captured footage of FAB-500 airstrikes carried out against positions in the area. The aerial view shows the strikes impacting targeted locations, with the FPV drone maintaining observation throughout the sequence. This setup highlights how drones are not only used for direct engagement, but also for real-time monitoring and recording of large-scale aerial operations. Ufa incident: drone strike on civilian infrastructure. The footage captures the moment a drone impacted an apartment building in Ufa, Bashkortostan, underscoring the vulnerability of urban infrastructure to aerial threats. The narration emphasizes the suddenness of the strike, portraying it as a stark reminder of how modern warfare extends beyond the front line into populated areas. The building, a symbol of everyday life, becomes the stage for a demonstration of reach and disruption. From a documentary perspective, the incident is framed as both tactical and psychological. The drone strike highlights the capacity to penetrate deep into urban centers, while also raising questions about resilience, defense, and the protection of civilian spaces. The narration underscores the layered nature of modern conflict: drones bypassing traditional defenses, infrastructure exposed, and the battle space extending into the heart of cities. Together, the sequence presents a vivid portrait of contemporary drone warfare: precision technology colliding with civilian environments, logistics disrupted, and the narrative of conflict reshaped by the reach of unmanned systems.
Пидорасы, блядь. Что долететь? Ебануться, блядь. Бля, бедные люди, ебаный в рот. Это пиздец, блядь. Это пиздец, нахуй, блядь.
Fiber optic FPV drone disables Max Pro MRAP, Kostantinivka direction. A fiber optic guided FPV drone engaged a Ukrainian International Max Pro MRAP in the Kostantinivka area. After identifying the armored vehicle, the operator maintained stable control, resistant to electronic interference, and guided the drone onto the target. The strike rendered the MRAP inoperable, highlighting the effectiveness of fiber optic FPV systems against armored vehicles and their ability to maintain precision control in contested signal environments. In the footage, two exhausted Ukrainian infantrymen are seen laying down their weapons and signaling surrender after being tracked by Russian reconnaissance drones. Their movements appear slow and fatigued, suggesting prolonged pressure before the moment. After confirming the situation from above, the drones continue monitoring as the soldiers are evacuated from the area, marking the end of the encounter under aerial observation. A FAB-500 bomb impacted Ukrainian forces in a forested area near the village of Krujak in Sumy Oblast. Meanwhile, a FAB-3000 bomb struck an opposing command center in Kostanka during a brief but intense engagement. In the Sumy direction near Malaya Rybitsa, Russian fiber-optic FPV drones engaged a Ukrainian 2S-1 Gvozdika self-propelled artillery system. After identifying the target, operators guided the drones with stable, interference-resistant control, allowing for precise tracking and engagement. The strike rendered the artillery system inoperable, reducing its ability to provide fire support in the area. The Irishman Strike Force fiber-optic FPV drone detachment conducted operations against Ukrainian armed forces vehicles in the Pokrovsk, Myrnohrad, Krasnoarmysk, Dmitrov direction. Using fiber-optic guidance, the drones maintained stable control without being affected by electronic warfare interference. Operators identified vehicle movement, tracked targets in real time, and executed precise strikes. FPV drone operators from the Russian 13th Assault Battalion Rusik, part of the 1194th Regiment, conducted operations against Ukrainian Armed Forces personnel near the settlement of Kostantinivka. Using aerial reconnaissance, operators identified movement on the ground and guided FPV drones toward the positions with controlled precision. The engagement focused on disrupting troop activity and limiting maneuver options under continuous aerial observation. Russian perspective. Footage published on April 2, 2026, shows Rubicon drone operators conducting operations across Donbass and the Krasny-Lyman direction. The compilation highlights a range of unmanned system activities, including aerial reconnaissance, target tracking, and coordinated strike missions against Ukrainian infantry positions. The video also features segments of drone-assisted air defense, where operators detect and engage incoming aerial threats, demonstrating the expanding role of UAVs beyond traditional reconnaissance and strike functions. Across multiple clips, drone crews maintain continuous surveillance over contested areas, identifying movement in real time and guiding precise engagements. Operations appear to span varied terrain, from open fields to forested zones, where Ukrainian units attempt to maneuver and establish positions. However, persistent aerial monitoring limits concealment and mobility, as operators adjust flight paths and timing to maintain contact with targets. The footage underscores the increasing integration of drone warfare into frontline tactics, where units rely on unmanned systems to extend visibility, coordinate actions, and apply pressure across multiple sectors simultaneously. It reflects a broader trend in modern conflict, where control of the airspace at low altitude plays a critical role in shaping ground operations.